Hello there and welcome. In this video we are going to continue our JustPy journey and we are going to see how we can create or use static files. Let me delete this one and create the static.py. So in order to use static files we have to put them in the static folder. That's the pre-configured route for these. So I'm going to create a static folder and I'm going to move to scripts there. You could use images or whatever resources that you want. After that we can create our script. So static demo, and we create our web page from the JP web page. Then we go with the jp.text and basically what we would like to do is to say that the source of this text is going to be static and collab.py, and we attach it to the web page. And let's give it the classes m2 p2, and we also want to add another one that is going to be a drag and drop. Once this is done we can return our web page, and from the JustPy static demo we can start this example. Now let's go back and use the static.py. If we visit the web page we are not going to see too much, but if we enter the URL static collab.py you will see that the script's content is served, just like with the drag and drop.py. And that way we are serving text content. If we want, we can add some links that we can click. So for example, we could say the jp.a text is going to be the collab, and the href is going to be this collab.py, and we attach it to the web page. And the same way for the drag and drop, and drag and drop. If we restart our application we should see here that when we visit the default context route we have the collab and the drag and drop. If I click any of them it will take me to that static content. What else do we have here? Yeah, basically when we are working with JustPy we are using Starlet's static file class to serve static files. So basically what we could also do, this is just going to be in the comment, we say that the configuration is config justpy.env, and we have a static directory which will be the config static directory cast as string, and the default is os.get cwd, and we could use the static route and the static name. And then if this is defined we could use the app.mount static route static files directory equals static directory, and the name is static name. So this way we could override the default configuration on demand. And technically that was all. See you in the next one.